Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we voiced the sentences used in daily life. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
Tom isn't under contract.
Tom isn't under contract.
They're looking for Tom.
They're looking for Tom.
The workers are angry.
The workers are angry.
Tom speaks Irish English.
Tom speaks Irish English.
She knew his secret.
She knew his secret.
You've got 1 hour.
You've got 1 hour.
I'll do my best.
I'll do my best.
Everyone is watching now.
Everyone is watching now.
A small community emerged.
A small community emerged.
She saw him too.
She saw him too.
Tom says he's innocent.
Tom says he's innocent.
Shake hands with him.
Shake hands with him.
I lived in Kuwenji.
I lived in Kuwenji.
He was very fun.
He was very fun.
Please read that book.
Please read that book.
It's a polytechnic engineer.
It's a polytechnic engineer.
Let's eat somewhere else.
Let's eat somewhere else.
They sat in silence.
They sat in silence.
Tom majored in psychology.
Tom majored in psychology.
That could be arranged.
That could be arranged.
I'm quite better now.
I'm quite better now.
I'm using the computer.
I'm using the computer.
He is a thief.
He is a thief.
Don't mind the haters.
Don't mind the haters.
Where are we meeting?
Where are we meeting?
Let me help them.
Let me help them.
Here are 2 stamps.
Here are 2 stamps.
There'll be a problem.
There'll be a problem.
Tom voted against it.
Tom voted against it.
That's weird, isn't it?
That's weird, isn't it?
He admitted himself defeated.
He admitted himself defeated.
I adore that place.
I adore that place.
Who's that cute redhead?
Who's that cute redhead?
I'll slash your tires.
I'll slash your tires.
I only want her.
I only want her.
Tell Tom I'm innocent.
Tell Tom I'm innocent.
Is his story true?
Is his story true?
He is getting better.
He is getting better.
I forgot about it.
I forgot about it.
His pretentiousness is irritating.
His pretentiousness is irritating.
The television doesn't work.
The television doesn't work.
That's what I'm assuming.
That's what I'm assuming.
I'm often half asleep.
I'm often half asleep.
Tom isn't a liar.
Tom isn't a liar.
So let us begin.
So let us begin.
Who could have done this?
Who could have done this?
It's an unrestricted database.
It's an unrestricted database.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. I could help Tom.
I could help Tom.
That's what you do.
That's what you do.
This is not expensive.
This is not expensive.
Tom probably took it.
Tom probably took it.
That's a pretty color.
That's a pretty color.
Is the meat good?
Is the meat good?
Tom is unbelievably naive.
Tom is unbelievably naive.
It was pure luck.
It was pure luck.
Angels are now singing.
Angels are now singing.
They all went back.
They all went back.
Who's on duty today?
Who's on duty today?
Hello, this is Mike.
Hello, this is Mike.
I found her graceful.
I found her graceful.
Have something to eat.
Have something to eat.
I've never seen it.
I've never seen it.
Where is the book?
Where is the book?
Is everything okay here?
Is everything okay here?
I'll bite the bullet.
I'll bite the bullet.
I've thought about it.
I've thought about it.
What's your cat's name?
What's your cat's name?
Tom flexed his muscles.
Tom flexed his muscles.
Tom chugged his beer.
Tom chugged his beer.
My plan was rejected.
My plan was rejected.
She feels bad today.
She feels bad today.
Tom is nearly blind.
Tom is nearly blind.
She shouted herself hoarse.
She shouted herself hoarse.
He comes from Genoa.
He comes from Genoa.
They lost the battle.
They lost the battle.
You can speak English.
You can speak English.
She's materialistic and shallow.
She's materialistic and shallow.
What are we waiting for?
What are we waiting for?
Tom may be wrong.
Tom may be wrong.
His car remained locked.
His car remained locked.
I could be next.
I could be next.
Let's call Bill up.
Let's call Bill up.
You'll thank me later.
You'll thank me later.
Let's play by ourselves.
Let's play by ourselves.
I closed my umbrella.
I closed my umbrella.
Tom probably won't win.
Tom probably won't win.
Tom flipped the coin.
Tom flipped the coin.
Who beat you up?
Who beat you up?
Are you open now?
Are you open now?
Tom is much cuter.
Tom is much cuter.
Give me the gun.
Give me the gun.
Who's the lucky one?
Who's the lucky one?
He's a weird guy.
He's a weird guy.
I've got a question.
I've got a question.
I'm with her now.
I'm with her now.
I almost did it.
I almost did it.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. I'm considering all possibilities.
I'm considering all possibilities.
Did you phone Tom?
Did you phone Tom?
I ran past them.
I ran past them.
Today is Tom's birthday.
Today is Tom's birthday.
I hate jealous women.
I hate jealous women.
The chicken is raw.
The chicken is raw.
Her morality is flexible.
Her morality is flexible.
They liked big cars.
They liked big cars.
That's a safe bet.
That's a safe bet.
What's become of them?
What's become of them?
It is not raining.
It is not raining.
He's a child actor.
He's a child actor.
I'm happy with that.
I'm happy with that.
She wrote a letter.
She wrote a letter.
I'm older than you.
I'm older than you.
Tom glows with enthusiasm.
Tom glows with enthusiasm.
How do skunks scream?
How do skunks scream?
Tom obviously has doubts.
Tom obviously has doubts.
Tonight it's your turn.
Tonight it's your turn.
He never tells lies.
He never tells lies.
We like to play.
We like to play.
Liberland is a micronation.
Liberland is a micronation.
I didn't like them.
I didn't like them.
Engineers are problem solvers.
Engineers are problem solvers.
Words cannot describe it.
Words cannot describe it.
I like her better.
I like her better.
Have a happy marriage.
Have a happy marriage.
Don't mess with Tom.
Don't mess with Tom.
This bread is delicious.
This bread is delicious.
I live in Lahore.
I live in Lahore.
Get back to work.
Get back to work.
Much time was wasted.
Much time was wasted.
She managed to escape.
She managed to escape.
He's hopelessly in love.
He's hopelessly in love.
It is absolutely impossible.
It is absolutely impossible.
Do you drink wine?
Do you drink wine?
So far, I'm bored.
So far, I'm bored.
Tom keeps to himself.
Tom keeps to himself.
Can't anything be done?
Can't anything be done?
Show me the tape.
Show me the tape.
Love is beyond reason.
Love is beyond reason.
She is smoking hot.
She is smoking hot.
Tom had loving parents.
Tom had loving parents.
Tom helps his colleagues.
Tom helps his colleagues.
Carl looks very happy.
Carl looks very happy.
I'll give her that.
I'll give her that.
Put me down, Tom.
Put me down, Tom.
This food is unhealthy.
This food is unhealthy.
Tom's confidence is back.
Tom's confidence is back.
He's a genuine aristocrat.
He's a genuine aristocrat.
The trip was exhausting.
The trip was exhausting.
I'm ready for fighting.
I'm ready for fighting.